Hello friends, a very happy Diwali to all of you. Today I am going to share my most favorite sweet of the season, Rava Ladu. But it's a tad difficult to master. So here is my foolproof method to get it right every single time. So the proportions, the timing, I'm going to tell you everything. I start by roasting 2 cups of fine rava in a thick stainless steel pan. Having a thick pan is very important because it keeps and distributes the heat evenly so that the rava can be roasted properly. Keep it on a medium low heat and roast the rava for about 6 to 8 minutes. The proportions you are going to need are 2 cups of fine rava to 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Please don't use the dry coconut. To that, half a cup of desi ghee and 1.5 cups of sugar. 0.75 3/4 cup of water. 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. As you can see, after dry roasting rava for 6 to 8 minutes, I have added half a cup of ghee. Mix the ghee very well with the rava. It might feel a little heavy when you start roasting it with the ghee, and that's how it is supposed to feel. Keep roasting it for about 4-5 minutes and it will get lighter. That's the point when you are ready to add the fresh coconut. Here I am adding 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. Keep the white part of the coconut, don't get the brown bits. Once you add the coconut, make sure that the heat is on low. Coconut has a lot of moisture, so the rava is going to soak all that moisture and it's going to increase in volume, and in a minute or so it will start feeling really light. That's when you know that it is done. We are ready to transfer the mixture to a bowl and let it cool a little bit. At this stage, I add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. I use the cream that I get from boiling milk at home, and it is this cream that gives that soft melt in mouth texture to the ladus. Take your time to mix the cream very well with the rava and coconut mixture. At this stage, you can also add the cardamom powder and give it a mix. Now we are ready to make the sugar syrup. For the sugar syrup, we have 1.5 cups of sugar. To that I am adding 3/4 cup, half the quantity of water, and this much water is enough. Put it on a medium heat and keep stirring it every few seconds till the sugar dissolves completely. It's very important to watch that point because the syrup can quickly change texture. As you can see, the sugar has dissolved completely. At this point, give it a mix and set the timer for exactly 3 minutes. Let it cook on a medium low flame for 3 minutes and our sugar syrup, the perfect sugar syrup, is ready. Keep stirring it every few seconds. Switch the flame off and we are ready to pour the sugar syrup to our mixture. I pour most of the syrup, just leave a few tablespoons back to adjust at the end. Mix the sugar syrup with a very nice light hand to see if it needs more. In this case, as you can see, the mixture is a little dry, so added rest of the syrup. and we are almost there. Once you give it a thorough mix, this needs to sit to let the rava absorb all the sugar syrup and let it cool down so that we can handle. In about 15-20 minutes, the mixture is cool enough, it's like warm, and you can start making the laddus. As you can see, you can shape laddus with 2 hands and make them as circular as possible. With this mixture, I was able to get about 22 medium-sized laddus. It is very important to keep these laddus in the refrigerator because we have used fresh coconut. The laddus can spoil if they are kept outside. In the refrigerator, they will easily stay for 8 to 10 days. Now I want to show you how soft these laddus are. As you can see, I can easily break them with hand and they are really melt in mouth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. A very happy Diwali to all of you. See you in my next video. Bye.